Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Divinity original Sign 2 game. Not launching, not opening, won't start, unable to open error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs. So for that, you have to search for the game first on Steam, and after that go below and you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs that is needed over here to play the game, and after that try to launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users, click on Steam option over here. Now click on exit. After that click on the Windows icon, then click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Once done, now launch the game and check. If not, next method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, and in the launch option you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, again come back, type -windowed mode and then try to play the game and check if this helps to resolve the issue. If the error still occurs, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link I have already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list, or if it is listed you have to search for it. If you cannot find the game, you have to click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, search for the game, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, then click on OK and finally launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to run the game from exe file or its folder. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed, and here you have to select the game application and double click on it to check if the game is launching or not. If you cannot if the game is not launching, then the next solution is to run game as administrator. So what you need to do is simply select the application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check if it's working. If not, come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, and here you have to select Windows 7 or Windows 8 and click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If the issue still occurs, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then check if the game is launching now. But if the issue still occurs, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and then move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. It will take some time, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it can directly impact the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly, and it will be better to lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of issues. Next method is to perform a clean boot. So for that, you have to press Windows +R and have to type msconfig and press OK. This will open system configuration. Here you have to go to the services tab and select hide all Microsoft services and then click on disable all. After doing this, go to the startup tab, click on open task manager. Here also you have to select the application and then click on disable all. After doing this, go back, click on OK, and after that restart your PC once and then try to play the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game, and here you will find enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable. Now after disabling it, you have to check if the game is opening or not. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and then switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, and switch off enable in-game overlay options from here. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download the Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on repair and you have to wait for some time. After you get setup successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, now check if you can play the game without any further problem. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates to check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then try to launch the game and see if it is working now. If not, next is to disable antivirus program as well as firewall. So if you are having any antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay. So what you need to do is go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on virus and threat protection, then click on manage settings, and here you have to turn off real-time protection. So after turning off the real-time protection, close this and then again go to the Windows search. Now here you have to search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both public and private network settings. Then click on OK and then launch the game and check if you can play it. But make sure to enable it or select turn on Windows Defender Firewall later on in both public and private network settings. If the issue still occurs, then the next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for graphics settings. Here you have to check if your game is listed. If you cannot find the game, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now once the game is added, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance and then try to play the game and check if it's working now. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Divinity Original Sin 2 game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once your PC restarts, launch Steam and reinstall Divinity Original Sin 2 game, and after it is installed, click on the play button to check whether it's opening or not.